What's going on, everybody? I'm O'Price, and welcome to a quick video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, electronium, and all that good stuff. Today, I'm actually being a little lazy. I have a lot of stuff that I have to do today, so I'm doing this video in a stream setting instead of having to edit and go back and redo everything that I normally do and SEO and all that stuff. So if you're jumping in to watch now, I do apologize. I'm not going to be responding to any comments. If you're watching this in the future, try to look at it more as like a regular video. I just unfortunately don't have the time today. Like, I'm literally about to run out the door with family and stuff, and I've had a lot going on these past 2 days. So thank you for the patience and sorry for being lazy for the day. But anyway, Bitcoin, looking at the coin market cap real quick, we have seen Bitcoin have some nice stable recovery. We pushed past 10,000 and we pushed past 11,000. We're slowly marching our way towards 12,000 per coin. Bitcoin market cap, we're looking at 509 billion on the market. So we have seen some very, very nice stability in the market. We've been hanging out over the 500 billion mark for the past week and a half or so. Bitcoin dominance is at 38.5%. And just before we get into the quick topic of the video, I want to take a look at Electronium, which I've been talking about. Satoshi value decreasing while still holding strong above 8 cents. It is down from yesterday, but I did hear that there's a lot of stuff going on this week. There is some big announcements, I believe, coming out for Electronium today, and I think there's like some like conference meeting thing going on as well. I'm just not 100% sure. I got that from a YouTube comment. So anyway, the topic of today's video is going to be quick and to the point, is with Bitcoin recovering and pushing itself back over that 10,000 mark. I believe the last time I did this, we were looking at $8,000 on Bitcoin. Is Hashflare now decent to be profitable? And we're just going to take a quick look at some numbers. I've done a little bit better research, and so we'll just jump right in from there. We are going to look at an estimation of profitability on 10 gigahashes or 10 terahashes. Okay, so that's what we're going to look at. We're going to take a look at the cost. It's about $2,200 for 10 terahashes. They did have a 10% off sale the other day for Valentine's Day. It was a 3-day sale, which I did cash in. I was holding on to my Bitcoin instead of reinvesting it, and I did cash it in for some more terahashes, which pushed me just shy of 400 terahashes when it was 10%, and so I'm hanging on to this to push myself over 4 terahashes, which maybe I'll see if I can do that in this video. Okay, so let's look at 10 terahashes. Now, one thing I did do some research is that the maintenance fee is roughly 35 cents per 10 terahashes. So that's not too bad. I'm sorry, 35 cents per terahash. So if you multiply that by 10, our maintenance fee on this contract is going to be $3.50. So let's go ahead and use all this data and plug it into the actual I feel weird doing this live. The actual Bitcoin mining calculator. So we're looking at 10 terahashes, which is about 10,000 gigahashes, right? And that's going to cost us nothing in power cost. That is going to then cost us, let's see, I like where Bitcoin's at right there. Hardware cost is 2,200, and let's see. We are going to then add, what did I say it was? About 350. So let's just, for argument's sake, put 350 on here. Let's go ahead and calculate the cost on that. So it's not looking too bad. 10 terahashes is going to net you about $9.82 a day, $68.74 a week, $294 a month, and $3,584 worth of Bitcoin a year. 224 days to break even. So now we're at some reasonable area to have those returns instead of it being like, 1 year is. So that's not too bad. It does have some decent profitability, and it looks like right now with the investment, we're just breaking. I mean, to double up on the investment would be about $4,400. So we're about $900 away from that being double worth your investment. So this is also to take into consideration that if the cost of Bitcoin remained at 11,700 throughout the entire year, so that would, again, that's assuming that Bitcoin does not fluctuate, go up or down, and with difficulty increase or decrease throughout the year. So as everyone knows, the Bitcoin difficulty does go up every single 2 weeks, and the value is probably going to see some severe incline throughout the year of 2018. Let's see what the current Bitcoin mining difficulty is at right now. And let's see when our last increase was and if we're anticipating another decrease or increase. I believe we've had some major increases. Yeah. So we just had an increase as of, it looks like today actually. So that is what we would see for the next 2 weeks. and then we're probably going to be looking at another increase in the Bitcoin mining difficulty as well. So if you're kind of patient, if you have a couple extra bucks to throw out this platform, I do still feel that these now, especially with Bitcoin being back over $10,000, that this is profitable in the long term. But it's not really going to be something profitable if you just only have like 200 or 300 bucks to throw at it. If you're a big dog and a big player and you could throw 100 terahashes at it, I mean, you can even take a look at what that's going to cost us, what that's going to net us. That's going to be, you know what, let's just put the pool fees in at like 25%. Maybe that's a little more accurate. So $22,000 investment is going to net you $35,000 through the year. I know there's people out there that make $35,000 as an annual salary, so that's not the worst. That's not the worst at all. You know, you're doing $687 a week, $98 a day. I mean, I personally make $50,000 a year, so if I ever had like an extra $440,000, I would definitely buy 200 terahashes, and then I could retire. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to ever do that. But if I was able to buy like 200 terahashes, then I would be definitely making more than my hard-earned salary from working. Even with the pool fees and everything right here, I'd be even making more money than what I make in a year. But I don't have $44,000 I can just throw out the platform. So anywho, that's just my opinion on that. I want to see if I can push this up to 4 terahashes in total real quick. What do we need? 30 terahashes to do this right there, and it looks like I'm just shy, so maybe another it'll probably take me another day to be able to actually get to 4 terahashes. So I'm going to go ahead and hold on to that. I don't think I have this set. I do have it set to reinvest, so we'll leave it on to get to 4 terahashes, and that will be my personal goal. All right, so let's go ahead and jump back into what we see in every single video that I've been going back to, the free Bitcoin faucet. You guys know that every single Sunday I give away 80% of my Satoshi pool based on the referring in people that have joined and become my friends on this based on their activity. Giving out a total of 61,000 Satoshis, which is roughly $6 a Bitcoin. I know it's not great, but I'm not really that huge. If I had like 1,000 people under me, we'd probably see like $60, $70, $80 a week worth of Bitcoin being given away. So all you do is just click on the link in the video that says free Bitcoin. In one of my other videos, I'm not sure if I set it up on the stream, you do your hourly roll, and then you play the multiply BTC game. You set your bet to minimum, and then you want to lose 3 times in a row. You want to lose 3 times in a row, like that. And then you set this up to 10. You bet high again because of profitability chances, which we lost there, so that's 1 loss. That's a win. And the only thing is you're not going to get rich doing this, and don't put any of your own Bitcoin into this platform because it is all free and it's all fun when it's free. The goal is to grow the Satoshi pool because every bet you make goes towards my Satoshi pool and it increases your activity. So that way you're going to be getting more of the pool payout every single Sunday. If you're just long and patient. I mean, if you're just sitting at work and you have nothing great to do, or you know, you're just kind of farting around for a while, it's a great way to try to earn a little bit. There we go, we got a win. So that kind of balances out. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you're watching live right now, I don't know because I haven't checked, but thank you very much for joining me this morning. I'm sorry it's not the normal live stream. I do have a lot going on, so that's why I'm doing it this way. I'm being very lazy, not editing a video or waiting for it to upload and then upload it to YouTube and then blah, 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 blah. But go ahead and subscribe. We just hit 1,200 subscribers today, which is awesome. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Leave a comment, leave a like, leave a dislike, whatever you guys want. I'm pretty easygoing, and I like, you know, negativity and positivity in my comment section because it gives me something to comment back. And I'm heading out. There's a Discord server. Join the Discord server if you guys want to get in touch with me. There's a lot of people on there. We have some great conversation. And I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time. Awkward pause as I close the stream down.